welcome to my channel. Please enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, blah de blah, blah 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 blah. Hey guys, today I just got, literally just, like the mailman just left, got my first royalty scents package in the mail. Royalty scents is like Scentbird. If you don't know what Scentbird is, they give you a travel size perfume of your choice every month. You can choose to either get 1 or 2 or 3 on Scentbird, but only 2 on Royal Scents. And I'm actually really excited about this one. Royal Scents has more niche fragrances and more expensive fragrances than Scentbird does. And also, FYI, I ordered them both on the same day. And this one came 3 days later, and I'm still waiting to even see that my Scentbird even shipped. So there's also that plus. But I'm still going to have both because I want to compare their service throughout the month. Sorry for this big knife. I guess I could have grabbed a little one, but this was the only clean one in my block. So yeah, let's open this. I forgot which ones I got this. I forgot which ones I got. So I will probably, since I forgot the ones I got, do some research on them and post the notes for you. Oh, shoot. I really wanted to open that nicely, but I didn't. Yeah, I didn't. Let's just say that. I didn't open it nicely. Yeah, so I'll probably post the notes for you. And look, it's so cute. Here are the 2 scents I got. Oh, upside down, upside down. The 2 scents I got. And it's just nice paper. And I always, are you guys like me? I save all this stuff and I never use it. So I just have like 3 big bags of packaging material that I'm never going to use. Anyway, so I got Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. I love tobacco scents, so I really wanted to try this one, and it's a really popular one. So I wanted to, if I don't buy the full version, I kind of wanted to just know what it smells like. I live in Alaska, so we don't have any stores. That's what I'm gonna say. We don't have any stores. We have Sephora and Ulta. And what else do we have? That's about it, other than like grocery stores and supermarkets that you can really buy fragrances from. We have malls and we have but Nordstrom's just left, and that's like another whole subject in and of itself that I don't want to go through. So anyways, I'm limited to what I can test out. So that's why I really wanted to do these scent subscriptions, because I wanted to get my nose out there. Anyway, so Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. This is a very popular one that I cannot wait to try. These are just first impressions on these scents because, like you saw me open the box, I just got them, so can't really give you the greatest review on them. Oh, and I'm also very excited for this one. This is Narciso Rodriguez Pure Musc. Literally just came out, 2020. Bomb, bomb, bomb. So I'm excited for this one. Yeah. I love the Narciso Rodriguez I have. Narciso Rodriguez for her, the Eau de Parfum. So let's try Pure Musc. It's supposed to be like musky, obviously. We'll see. I read a review on it, and I should have read it right before I opened this, and then I would have had a better... Anyways, let's not even talk about it because I just don't remember. Okay, so let's spray this cardboard. This is Pure Musc. It just smells musky and good and not too powerful. You could wear this to work. It basically smells just like my Narciso Rodriguez for her without the rose in it. And I'm also sick, so I'm probably missing some notes, but it just smells good. It smells musky, but not heavy. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna wear the out of this. Okay, next one. Oh, I also decided, since I've been spending too much dang money on perfume, that I'm not gonna buy a full bottle unless I know I love it. Okay, Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. I love tobacco scents, so I'm hoping this one is about that light. Ooh, look at their little packaging. It's so cute. Okay. Oh yeah, so you just twist. Okay, no wonder everyone loves this. Tobacco, vanilla. It's a little, I like smell spices in it. I wouldn't say that it's spicy, but I smell some spices in it. I will post somewhere around here with the notes once I edit the video, because I can't really explain this right now. But it smells good. I want to wear this one today. Okay. There you go. They're good. Sorry. My freaking descriptions suck. It's cool though, right? Tobacco vanilla. Smells like tobacco and vanilla. Yeah. But it does. Okay. So I love both of these. And I'll wear them more, and maybe I can do a full review. If you guys wanted a full review on either of these scents, just let me know in the comments, because I can do that and I'll be more prepared. Okay, bye. Oh shoot, okay, I'm still new, so I was gonna press the stop button on my screen. It's right there. It's not right there to you guys, but it's right there to me. But I forgot I got a little button. I literally just bought my little ring light, or I bought it a little bit ago, but I just got it in last night to do, these kind of videos. And yeah, I'm still getting used to it. So, okay, bye.